right, we have this little 1/14 scale. JJRC is the S9. Comes in two different colors. It comes in green and it comes in blue. I got the blue one, although I do really like the green one. So this is a 2.4 gigahertz little Jetski. And what do we have here? So we do have the instruction manual. Oh, look at that. It looks pretty neat. I wish I had an action figure or something. I could give this Jetski a rider. Fortunately, I don't. And then here is the controller, which, oh man, this is, I hear clicking on the throttle, and then I do hear clicking on the steering. So this is actually a non-proportional controller. You have your on and off switch here. This is your speed switch. So we will go through the different speeds and see how fast each speed is. It does require two AA batteries. You also get a USB charger, two spare props, a screwdriver, and that's it. That's everything that comes in the box. So let's check out the inside. It says to open and pull firmly. This does not want to let go. There we go. So right here is the battery. It's a 3.7 volt, 600 milliamp hour battery. And then there you can see the dual motors. That is for steering as well. If you want to turn to the right, the left motor will spin faster. Same with if you want to turn to the left, then the right motor will spin faster, making it turn. So there is no servos or anything. It is just the two motors that does the steering for you. So I'm going to give this battery a charge. We're going to get it out on the water and just see how good this little Jetski runs.
And we'll plug it in, and then for the lid here, this cable is for this LED in the back here, and then that will flash when low voltage is detected. So we have to watch for that light. It's pretty sunny though. I don't know if we'll be able to see it in the sunlight, but this does have that safety switch where it won't power on until it's in the water. And right here you can see these little metal sensors here. It will know when it's in the water and then it'll turn on. So turn the power on. See, there is no power. Also, this does have a manual trim. You can't trim it on the controller, but you can trim it here. This little rudder here, you can turn it to whichever way you want to fix the trim so it does run in a straight line. But let's get this in the water and we'll test this thing out. So I didn't hear a beep. I didn't hear a beep or anything, but the LED on the controller is solid. So, and we do have power. So this is the first speed. And it is extremely slow. And then this is the speed switch. So I'm assuming it just has a high and a low, but let's check it out. There you can hear the change in the motors. Yep, it's just a high and a low. So this is high speed, which is not really high speed because look how slow that thing is just going across the water. Yeah, this is more for like the bathtub or maybe a pool, like a small kiddie pool or something. This thing is not all that fast. I forget exactly how much it was. I think it was somewhere around $20 or so. Honestly, I would not spend 20 bucks on this. Look how slow this thing's going in the highest rate. And I don't know, but it looked like that LED in the back was flashing. Or maybe it's just it is flashing. So that's it for the battery? Does that mean the low voltage is being detected there? I have no idea. I really don't want to take it out too far, so that way I can't get it. So maybe we'll just run it along the side here. Yeah, it is flashing even when I'm not powering. So yeah, we'll just run it along this wall here, so that way I don't have to try and save it, because I don't know how much longer it's gonna last. It said like 20-minute run time. I don't know. I was running it for like 3 minutes and the low voltage detection's already flashing. Yeah, this is... I'd leave this one on the shelf, that's for sure. Actually, I think I remember how much I paid for it now. It was like $18.99 or something like that. Still, not worth it. Definitely not worth it. I'm not even gonna try and glam this thing up with like a montage or anything. You really can't make this look good at all. I mean, even though that low voltage detection's been flashing for a few minutes now, it's still going about the same speed. It doesn't seem like it's dying at all. The trim is a little bit off. It keeps like drifting to the left there a little bit, but I'm not even gonna try and fix it. Okay, well, that's enough back and forth. I'm not even gonna run this battery out. There's really nothing to say about it other than I would not buy it. At least the safety switch works in it, see? Well, let's see how watertight it is. Well, it is watertight. There's not a drop of water in there, so I mean, there's a positive to that. This is gonna be a short and simple video. I really can't talk this up or anything. I'm just giving you my honest opinion. This is not worth any money spent on it. I'd leave it on the shelf. And I'm not even gonna put this in for the November giveaway, just because like I wouldn't even want to give this to anybody. Yes, this is a dud. Huge thumbs down for it.
So no giveaway for this. Look for the next video. It will be something that's good and it will be put in a November giveaway, but as for this, nope, can't give it away. Hey, sometimes you win some, sometimes you lose some, but at least now you know if you're looking to purchase one of these, save your money. There's other things out there that you'd have more fun with for the same price you'd pay for this. So thanks for watching, but I hope to see you with the next Ready to Run RC.